it's like a proper heavy, big wooden door. Now, this feels more like a small but extremely elegant hotel room than it does an airplane seat. You got your seat, which is also a bed. You've got closets, 2 TVs, and a door here that opens and closes. It goes all the way to the top of the entire suite. Legroom is always a big deal when flying, and the legroom in this, the legroom borders on ridiculous. Ready? You could fit a small family down here. This is just the legroom situation. Amazing. You've got one gigantic screen right there that's like, I don't know, 35 inches, 40 inches, something like that. That's one TV. And then you've got another thing over here. But these two aren't connected. So on your big TV, you can be watching Pulp Fiction. And then on the iPad here, you can do other stuff. Can't wait to see what happens with this.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I don't need anything. I just wanted to see if this worked.
Glad to see you.
It's nice to see you. This is so unnecessary. It's nice to see you.
Are you sure you don't need anything?
No, I don't need anything. I'm gonna go see her. Vanity mirror. Very good. I couldn't finish it all. It's too much stuff.
Filet. Bon appetit.
Steak.
You can see a bit of the sunset, but not a lot of it. If you want to wait to see, that's the big windows.
So what are these? These are just like TV screens?
Which has.
So these are just like LCD screens of what's going on out there. Now this isn't the long haul flight of the A380, which has the showers and the gigantic spa on it, but this is a nice bathroom. It's a very comfortable. I don't know if this is perfume or air freshener, but the seat itself is supposed to be pretty magical. This is the standard takeoff and landing position. This is the dining position. This is something called zero gravity, where it's supposed to make it feel like this is very nice. She told me that when I was ready to go to bed that I had to get her and she would make the bed.